Hi guys, I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam.
Today is what, Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes.
I had the biggest Monday of my year.
Of
Yeah?
course.
This Monday.
Of course.
Yeah. Huge. I mean, what's better than three people who go shopping to Zara on a regular basis?
Kolaba, babe.
Kolaba.
West
Hill
Side.
Road, West Side.
Mm.
And then those three opinions just about the biggest fashion event of the year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so for it.
I
Yes.
think we should be the only people like us should be the only bunch of people who get to do this.
Oh yeah.
I feel like
For sure.
if you're higher up than us, I think you're just sitting on your high horse and judging for what? I think we are the true judges of it.
We really are because we have no stakes in it. No, we have zero
I'll tell
stakes
you
in
why.
it.
I'll
What?
tell you why we are the judges of it,
Please
the best
tell
judges
me.
of it, because we have the vision. We just don't have the money.
We just don't have the money.
We
and
just
this
don't have
is,
the means to get
for
there.
us, it's just art, right? And isn't
It
that
is.
what the theme is? Of
Exactly.
the month this year? What was it?
Art and fashion.
Art and fashion. Fashion is art. And
Fashion.
something about the aching body. Only Bad Bunny did that.
So I think that I love watching. I've been like following Mets for multiple years,
Yeah.
and it is genuinely one of my favorite topics. इतनी तैयारी मैंने
She's gonna get lost in her own notes. I don't know why she writes so much.
इतनी तैयारी मैंने मेरे एग्जाम्स के लिए भी नहीं की थी.
इतने तो
Just-
चिट भी नहीं बनाए थे इसने, मुझे पता है.
नहीं इससे ज्यादा तो.
Yeah.
Just to inform you, I am obsessed with Mets. So this year, I really thought that the theme was like so nice and they could have done so much more, but they really disappointed us. This time, I think we should give a kudos to our Indians.
yeah. True.
We got our A game.
We really did. Everyone else that was not Indian, that was there, I felt like they said art and then they went with a painting.
Yeah. Or
They
a
went with-
sculpture.
Yes.
Or a
A
sculpture.
painting or a sculpture. Guys, art is so much more than that.
And the worst or the best part of this theme was that it was so open-ended and
Yes.
so vague. It was so open to interpretation.
Yeah.
And people still, it was crazy how similarly people thought when they tried to dress up like paintings or like
Yeah.
sculptures.
Yeah.
There was so much room to do more. And I feel very
Exactly.
few did that.
Very, very
Exactly.
Which we'll come to. but
We
yeah,
we're gonna have like pictures.
we're pulling out
We're,
receipts.
we're pulling out
bitch.
receipts and we're gonna look at these looks. And guys, we have opinions.
Oh,
As you
yes.
said, as you
Strong.
saw those posters, like we come with we come for the we come for their blood.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Fully.
We will,
Fully.
and we are not
Yes.
gonna hold back because
Yes.
again we have no. We do
Literally.
kind of like Armani's watch this. And I
True.
really didn't like that outfit. That was the one disappointing Indian outfit for me. Oh my god, am I getting too ahead of myself?
Isha?
Isha.
Isha.
Oh.
Can we pull up Isha, please?
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Okay, now
So
a little backstory for this outfit. So do you guys see the blouse that she's wearing?
Mm-hmm.
That's all her mom's diamonds.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
It's literally all her mom's diamond. There's this thing at the back which looks like a knife.
Yeah.
That
up.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah,
knife
yeah.
thingy. That is also one of her mom's jewelry. And it's like so fucking insane to think. Yeah, see? Oh my god.
Guys.
it is beautiful. It is beautiful.
It is
the
very
my critique on this is that number one, okay, art, but like it's not very. I don't look at it and I'm not thinking that
That's
this is
mad. Okay,
Yeah, it's a
the screen
200
says-
crore
200
Bla-
crore blouse in
just
itself.
the blouse.
Yeah, I mean, if it's so
They didn't
heavily
even-
flooded with like fucking diamonds,
Yeah.
I'm sure it is that much.
They didn't even have to go shopping for that. This was all at home.
Yeah.
We have
They-
diamonds at home.
They really did though. Like the whole blouse is Nita Ambani's jewels.
You know, yeah,
It's
fair.
insane. My critique, my God. Can we stop with the Gaurav Gupta? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired. I don't want to see
Fair.
another Gaurav Gupta structure. And that's
Yeah.
the one thing that Gaurav Gupta does. I get it. It's his signature.
Mhm.
Okay. And he is so much better than me, right? I can't do what he does. I really can't. However, I don't want to see a look and then I'm like, oh, that's Gaurav Gupta. I know why, because it's a structure.
Correct.
I know it's the same structure. I know this is different. It's not the pleats. I get
Yeah.
it. The mango is kind of saving it. I can't lie.
True.
I honestly, I love Gaurav Gupta's designs. And I
Yes.
think the sari is beyond beautiful. I
It
know
is
it's not on
beautiful.
theme, the entire thing. It's not really on theme. But the sari, if you look at the, the work on the sari, there are like elephants and there are like artifacts from Rajasthan, those sculptures that we
Yeah.
have. And it is really very peak detailing,
It's very pretty.
which is
very
why I love Gaurav.
True. And funny enough, this was actually
Yes.
one of my favorite looks from the Met. I'll tell
Yeah.
you why.
Hmm.
This was very different for what Isha would wear.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like you said, the mango, the
mango.
structure,
Hmm.
the detailing was very, very pretty. And this was just something out of the ordinary for Isha to
For
wear,
Isha.
Yeah.
which is why I liked it. And then I liked the fact that she went a little outside of her comfort zone, because if you go to see people like Isha, who are very, very obviously rich,
Yeah.
they do play very safe.
Safe.
Especially her with being in the public eye so much, she's not going to go way out and way
Yeah.
camp. This to her was a lot than what she
True.
usually does.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you said that about wealthy people, because I think once we get done with like dissecting this, I have another wealthy person who
Yeah.
just shat
But
on
wait,
that carpet.
yeah, I'm sorry. 1 minute.
Please tell
Another
me.
thing about this that now in retrospect that I think about is that if they wanted to pay homage to the Indian culture, where I felt like they shat, for the lack of a better word,
Where they shat, yeah.
Indian colors are so beautiful and so rich.
And they were
Vibrant.
going for Rajasthan.
And they were exactly.
And they were
going
for
went,
Rajasthan.
They went so
Beige.
bland. They went beige, silver in that family, which I
Yeah.
felt like they could have done so much more. The
Yeah,
only
true,
color
true,
here
true,
is
true.
green, the emerald green, and the yellow from the mango.
True.
It is standing
Yes.
out, if that
Yes.
was the intention.
It is. But again, I feel like she could have done so much more with her hair.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
The gajra, I feel like it's like huge. It's like a foot long
It's a trail.
gajra. Yeah, and then she carried it also like it was like a Scandinavian scarf or something like that.
A dupatta. A Scandinavian scarf, bitch. It's a dupatta.
She carried it like that, and then I don't know, I loved everything about
Yeah.
that outfit, to be very honest.
True.
Even though like the color,
Was
they
like
could
a,
have
a
gone-
negative point, but I feel like there were a lot of positives also.
yeah. So and I love that color. I'm going to be
It is
biased with the
true,
color.
True.
She
It
does
is
like
a-
that color.
We
That's
do,
one of
yeah.
my favorite.
And I think that's also why it was one of my favorites, because for her,
Hmm.
it just fit her personality
Yes.
well.
Yes.
Like I
Yes.
think for if someone else would have worn it, it would have been really bad.
Yeah.
It would have been really bland. But I think with her, like her personality and her poise, I think it just looked well.
Let's rate this outfit.
Ooh, out of 10, I would give this a solid 8.
I'm going to give it a 8.5.
7.
Hmm.
I'm giving it a 7. I'm
Lil-
sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Isha.
Isha's watching, of course.
Yeah.
Radaki.
Radaki. Yeah, Radaki should have also been there. Yeah.
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay, moving on to
Yeah.
another rich person
Hmm.
Okay.
who's like done so much worse than this. She makes Isha look like an angel.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Can we have Lauren Sanchez?
Oh my god.
Please, please, guys, this is why I'm anti-capitalist. This is exactly
my
why.
God.
Look at that. That's Jeff Bezos' wife.
Yeah.
Look at what the fuck she's never worn any other silhouette, by the way.
Yeah.
This is the only silhouette that she has ever
Ever
worn.
I have seen aunties at a Catholic wedding wear this.
Dude,
Bro.
I wouldn't wear this to like the Grammys or the Oscars. This is the Met.
I would wear this to like a friend's mother's son's wedding.
I wouldn't even wear it for that.
It's a pretty dress, but it's so boring.
Bro, she looks like
So boring.
she looks like Sofia Vergara from Misho. That's what she's giving.
Yeah. No, you
Okay.
did her dirty, bro.
I think the only thing that stands out are her tits here, which look great.
They're done. They're done up, bitch. They're done up. That's Jeff Bezos' wife. You think Jeff Bezos is into natural tits? Okay.
Yeah, but I know.
Okay.
No,
I
I don't
also
even
vote for
want-
women. Get that boob job. I don't care.
Yeah,
But-
yeah.
Ew, Yeah, I don't like billionaires. I don't. Yeah, and she was not invited. They paid for this.
Yeah,
They paid $100,000 for
That's
this seat.
embarrassing.
Yeah.
That's
You
embarrassing.
paid
Yeah.
not $100,000.
$100,000,
Yes,
yeah.
100,000. Yes.
$1,000 means I'll also go, bro. Even I'll go.
No, but can I just say Jeff Bezos looks better in comparison? That's how bad she looks.
Oh fuck.
Yo,
What? And still you choose to dress up like that?
They paid $10 to $20 million to sponsor the Met, and that's what you wore?
Bro.
No, that's my. See, I know we discussed this in the previous episode where, like the last year when the Met happened and we were talking about this and how men genuinely put zero
Zero
fucking effort into their
None.
outfits.
None.
But can I just talk about? Do you want to pull up Pedro Pascal?
Okay.
This man.
Oh yeah, I saw
poor-
that.
I
Poor
really
man.
would have
Poor
loved to
man.
see Diljit again. Or can't lie, sorry.
Yeah, no,
Scared
fair.
of
No,
that.
same actually.
Same.
That man pulls a fit, bro. Like he
Yeah.
knows what to wear.
Yeah, true.
But I feel Pedro, he made an effort, okay? But poor man, it did not land the way
Is
he
it a bad
wanted
color?
to.
I have
No,
not
you're gonna
seen
see
this. I've not
this.
seen this.
yeah, I'd seen that. I'd seen that.
No,
Is
what
that a
is
doodle?
this?
I'd
But
seen
like, why?
It looks like you know वो light bulb का doodle आता है वो white sheet
Oh,
पे.
oh my god,
that,
yeah. It's like, you know, when you want to make a presentation and when you want to say about something about thinking, you put that
Yeah.
bulb and like the ting.
Not
It's
the
that.
Canva clip art.
That is that.
literally that, bro.
I was so disappointed when I
One-
saw that.
Few men that I think pulled up so well.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fake.
What?
This is AI?
Yes, so the thing that he's wearing now, it's an art creation of this artist called Keith Haring. And apparently now I'm reading that it's AI generated fakes.
Oh.
Oh, the fuck?
This is Pedro Pascal was not there.
Not there.
He was not there. I saw a fake Alia Bhatt one also.
Even
Yeah,
I
same
saw a
when I
fake
thought.
Alia Bhatt.
And I'm like, no. I checked her Instagram. I was like, of course she's going to post about it.
Yeah.
And
No.
it wasn't there.
Why would people do that?
Oh, we are in that part of the video where we're talking about the fakes. I love
the
it. I
face,
love
okay.
it.
So, okay, turns out the Pedro was not there at the Met.
We were pranked.
I was pranked. I feel like a mom right now who's seen something AI and thought it was real. But now that we're on the track of
This is getting too good.
this is getting too good.
I bought the Alia Bhatt one also.
I was seeing a bunch of things since yesterday and I was like, how did I miss this? How did I miss this?
Yeah.
Then I remember seeing it in one of the memes. But then I was not sure if he was there or not. And then
Yeah, fair.
you said it, I was like, हाँ
होगा.
होगा.
मैंने वही सोचा था.
मैं थोड़ी थी मैं तो नहीं थी वहाँ पे.
But now that we're on like talking about fake people that attended the Met apparently.
Yeah.
Anil Kapoor was there. Did you know
Anil
that?
Kapoor, he was. If he pulls up in that, if he pulls up in that,
If he does in this.
this is art.
This is art.
This
This is like original
Peak
art.
art, bro. This is peak art.
This and then
Why do I want this?
after this, Salman Khan walks with one of his original paintings. Just a painting, a canvas. And then they shake hands. Give it to me, please.
The bung.
But I think few men that really like went crazy. I think Karan Johar, best dressed at the Met. I
Manish
love-
Malhotra was best dressed.
Manish and Karan, yes. Manish
Yeah.
and Karan are like up top, very close. But Karan Johar, bro, insane.
How did he do that?
That looks
Insane.
I'm a
royal.
Karan.
Like that looks rich.
Yeah.
I feel like I grow every time I hear something about Karan Johar, I grow more a fan. And this has really done it for me.
Low-key-
The
Loki,
detail.
I'm not a fan of Karan, but I like his fit. This is a great fit.
Loki, I never really hated him.
But there was always
Honestly,
a narrative there.
No. For me, whenever he spoke about nepotism or whenever he said that, you know, he's supporting, and I would understand, to be very honest. I know this is a difference of opinion and a lot of people would not agree with me. But the thing is that if you have, maybe like, if you have a business, अगर तुम्हारे पापा की दुकान है, तो तुम्हारे पापा तुमको ही बैठाएंगे ना दुकान पे. दूसरे को जाके थोड़ी ना थमा देंगे दुकान तो.
I mean, mean, that was never a point that I did not like him for. I think
I think a lot people
There-
give
there-
him
True,
there-
true, true.
there-
There are
that is the
people.
narrative that is going around, like, oh, boycott Karan Johar movies because he
Mhm.
takes nepo kids.
Yeah.
That's flat out bullshit.
Yeah,
Fair.
it is.
Yeah.
But this,
yeah.
the colors, this is what I wanted from Isha, actually. Like, the way that it's simple, but it's so vibrant.
Yeah, but I think someone, I don't remember her name.
What happened?
There was this one more Indian billionaire only. I think not Ananya Birla. There was this one more Indian billionaire. She also Poonawala, yes, Poonawala. Natasha Poonawala.
Natasha
Yes.
Poonawala.
She
Was
tried something similar to this.
vaccine wale ki
and it
wife hai
was-
kya?
नहीं, ये.
Huh?
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay.
This she tried something very similar to this.
That's the Poonawala I know.
Yeah, look at the boxy structure.
Oh no, babe.
And it's just like-
she looks like a table fan.
No, she looks like a vagina.
Wait, one second. That's true. That again. But basically, the thing is, last year, 2025 Met, she was the one who had that moving butterfly.
Yeah.
So, Bob and a flop.
Ah,
Yo. Yeah, last year was a bob. This time,
with the
it's
butterflies was so much
it's a
better.
purse. It's a purse.
This is a table fan, bro.
Yeah.
a table fan. I see it.
Like-
Bajaj.
Havells. I think if I stand next to her, I feel cool.
Loki, she's dressed up like a vaccine.
What does a vaccine look like?
I don't know, like a vial. A vial.
It doesn't look like that for sure.
I don't know. I'm not vaccinated.
Oh, wow.
I am vaccinated. Oh my god. I'm not anti-vax. Please get vaccinated.
Wow. But
Okay.
speaking about wax,
Tell me. Please tell me.
okay, there's this model called Anok.
Mm-hmm.
And oh my god, can you please pull that up? She looks like a fucking wax model. She looks
I
like
know,
a
yeah,
wax
yeah.
figure. She looked
Yeah.
so smooth. And I genuinely wanted to touch her forehead.
You- You were not there.
If I was, I would have just touched her forehead because she looked. Oh my god! Tell me that does not look like something from a movie,
Is
bro.
this the one that was crying? No.
No. Oh my god, Lord.
Mm.
Ooh.
Bro, she
Gagged.
Yeah.
She looks chrome.
Oh my god.
Wow. Insane.
And fair, like, you know, I get it. It's like a basic, it's not actually not basic, it's like a basic color. Like, it's a flat out black dress.
Yeah.
But the head scarf, the makeup, the hair, the minimal jewelry, that's the thing, right? Certain people can pull off basic
This is
outfits.
good tailoring.
Yeah, that's,
This is phenomenal
this is
tailoring.
last year's theme actually.
Yeah.
Fine
Is
tailoring.
this?
Yeah.
Oh, the
But
theme,
she's
okay.
also
Yeah.
like a statue, right?
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
thing. She's a statue.
Oh yeah, one of those
Fuck.
statues, black statues in London.
Probably.
I think this is what they were trying to replicate.
Yeah.
I read this somewhere. Because even with the hair, if you see, it doesn't look like the regular human hair. They try to replicate like a statue or like a figure. So even if you
Yeah.
see her eyes and like her,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
makeup and the
And she's
tears,
the one
tears,
that's
the tears.
crying.
Yeah.
This is the one that is crying. This is a direct replica of something, an art
correct,
piece.
correct. So
Yeah.
see, this
It's
this
exactly the
art,
same,
this
yeah.
if she has stuck to the theme in a beautiful way. Like I
Very
would have
beautiful.
appreciated this
Yeah.
over someone who just like replicated a painting on that.
Heidi Klum.
Klum.
Klum. Bro, Dhoom 4.
Yeah, she's literally Dhoom 4.
Dhoom 4.
Honestly, you know
Hrithik
what?
Roshan did it first.
Hrithik Roshan definitely
True.
did it first.
Those were she was actually in my confused list. So speaking about
So Heidi Klum
Klum's-
is jobless. She's dressed like a worm apparently once.
But this look of hers was confusing to me, and initially I had a very negative opinion about it because I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, you know, what is this? But then I thought about it. Like, even to pull a fit like this, you need to put in the work.
Oh yeah.
To look bad,
Mhm.
also you need to put the work.
Lauren Sanchez did
Oh
not do that.
my
Yo,
goodness.
what the hell?
That looks scary.
I thought she was a cute worm.
Bro,
no,
that-
she's an actual worm.
No, that looks like a dick. Like a
No,
I
that
don't know,
looks like
fucked up
that
dick.
looks like the nun. The eyes look like the nun from the nun. Tell me that does not scare you at
I
night.
know what
Oh
it
my
is.
God.
Is that what
That's
a
a piece
dick
of
looks
bacon.
like?
No, that's bacon, babe. That's a strip of bacon that I eat for breakfast.
Okay, no, I don't fuck with either. No dicks, no bacon.
But this, okay, now it's at first glance it's very ugly because you're like, ew. But then
And then second glance also ugly.
third glance also. But fourth, you're like,
मुझे
As a philosophy professor.
मुझे
as a
क्या
concept.
As a concept.
मुझे लगता है कि वो ना अपने कपड़े सुखा रही थी और उन पे सीमेंट गिर गया और वो वैसे ही पहन के बाहर निकल के आई है.
Bro, plaster of Paris. This has plaster of Paris on
Can you
it.
zoom in on the feet?
No.
Let me take a closer look.
Yo, flip-flops? Flip-flops.
Those
toes.
are her feet. Does she have 6 toes? No,
That's AI.
five.
That's AI.
Oh no, babe.
Yo.
She wore like the dhaga wala chappal.
वो टॉयलेट जाते वक्त पैर खोल के पहनते हैं ना.
Toilet. Met. Toilet.
What?
No. That is scary.
Usko at least, bro.
Oh my god, those look like mogra on her head.
She took it from Isha, bro. I saw in the washroom they told it.
ईशा के वापस उसने सीमेंट में डाल दिया.
Bro, this is not cement. This is plaster of Paris.
Can I just say I feel like lighting like the wick on top of her head. Like I feel like she looks like a candle figure and I feel like lighting. That would be so cool, no?
It would-
Like,
yeah.
imagine like flame.
Bro, अंबुजा सीमेंट.
Michael Jackson.
अंबुजा सीमेंट प्लीज स्पॉन्सर.
Yeah, bro.
And also,
Actually,
like,
any clothing company sponsor
Any
her.
chappal company, bro. This is
Everyone sponsor her.
yeah.
She's jobless.
Oh god, oh god.
I want to talk about Rihanna's outfit.
Oh my god. I actually used her today in the morning.
Rihanna.
Scotch Brite.
No,
Kata.
even I have
I
different.
used her in the morning.
अरे अच्छी लग रही है यार. रियाना अच्छी लगती है मुझे.
She looks.
ये ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है गौरव गुप्ता ने बनाया? मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है? मैंने चेक भी किया था, मतलब ये गौरव गुप्ता नहीं है. गौरव गुप्ता can sue, you know.
रियाना वो ये नहीं होता सिल्वर फॉइल का तुम लोग गोला बनाते हो और फिर वो वैसे ही रह जाता है.
get
Looks something like that.
मुझे
But-
पसंद नहीं है. मैं कुछ नहीं
Yeah.
बोलूंगी.
See, the thing is, I
huge
like the
fan.
color again, but I just don't like the structure of it. Like, starting from her shoulder, ending at like her knees, bro. Like, if you wanted to give that structure, I think you should have better placed the
No, the
ending,
back
you know?
is funnier. The
Really?
बताओ,
the
बताओ.
back is super funny. It's
It
just-
gets
wow.
worse.
I love when people like they try hard and then you can see that they've tried hard
Yes.
because it's so bad.
Bro,
Yes.
she's jet lagged. She was just in Bombay, na.
That's why she's wearing kata.
Yeah, exactly.
Valid.
Inspiration ले गई.
उससे बर्तन धुलवाए हमने.
उसने धोते हुए देखे होंगे.
Wow.
And she must have
Art,
been like,
inspiration.
Problem is that
Mhm.
you put anybody next to ASAP Rocky and they look bad. Bro, I have a soft
No,
spot
but
for
like,
that guy.
fair-
Bro, he looks so, and he's put in effort.
You
He's-
can tell.
Bro, look at
Pink.
him.
yeah, he looks damn
Fuck,
nice.
bro.
True. The
ये
neck
कैसे कर
piece,
लेता है?
the pendant or whatever that is hanging
Yeah,
from
he
his neck.
does look damn nice.
I think between them, you know,
पीछे का
there's,
बता ना.
there's no looks gap, there's no personality gap, there's no swag gap.
But there's some gap going on in the back end.
Why does it look like she's put like tape around? Like, does that not look like tape?
It looks very DIY.
Oh yeah, it looks incomplete.
Yeah.
Oh bro, हम लोग कॉलेज में नहीं फैशन शो करते थे.
No.
पीछे से कुछ भी चल रहा है. आगे से अच्छा दिखना चाहिए.
पीछे 100 क्लिप लगाए हुए हैं.
ब्रो घर
Tape.
के वो नहीं कपड़े सुखाने वाले क्लिप होते हैं वो भी लगाए हमने.
Bro,
वैसे ही लग
मैंने
रहा है.
हॉट ग्लू पे कुछ तो लगा के इतना सच.
Damn.
Those were the days,
Those
भाई.
were the days.
Those were the days.
Wow.
यही बात है तो याद आएगी बाद में.
Okay, next
Yeah, no.
I also wanted to talk about there's this Lebanese personality, Sabine Getty, I think.
From Getty Images?
Yes.
Is it? No, could be, na?
No.
Okay.
I don't think.
Bro, her outfit, I think one of the best dress. It is too fucking
I would
good.
like to see it.
It's
Same,
damn
I haven't
cool.
seen that.
I think she
Oh,
got
by
it.
the way, Rihanna gets
She was
a
on theme.
6 from me.
Same. Rihanna gets a 6. I was
5.
about to.
ASAP
rate
gets an 11.
5.
9.
Come on, look at it.
I'm being realistic.
Wouldn't you like to be in bed with ASAP Rocky?
ASAP.
5 for Rihanna and 9 for ASAP.
I said 6 and 6 for Rihanna and 9 for ASAP.
Oh, and for Karan Johar,
6 for Rihanna, 11 for ASAP.
for Karan Johar, 100 on 10.
Yeah.
I love that fit. I'm in love.
Sorry, I just remembered ASAP Rocky is Muslim.
Is he?
Yeah, his mom's Muslim.
Oh. My baat pakki. Karan, I'll give him a 9.5.
Karan, 10. So good. He did it.
Finally did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys.
Anok. Anok, a good fucking 100, bro. She was beautiful.
Anok, 5 from me.
5.
What?
5 or 6.
9.
No.
9 from me. Anok gets a 9. Heidi?
Heidi,
Honestly, A for effort.
I'll give her a 3. A solid 3.
2. A for effort. She sat in that makeup. Heidi sat in that
True.
makeup chair for at least 12 hours.
Okay, I'll give her like 4 for effort.
Huh?
everyone has done that.
A is my score.
I'll give her 5 stars.
Shall I'll give her 6. I can't give her the same as Rihanna.
Yeah, no.
5.
4.
5 ही दिया.
Oh, 0. Come on.
A 1.
Hit them.
Minus.
Actually, a 0 too.
Minus.
Not applicable.
1.
-2.
Chal, 2 point दे दिया. Minus.
-2 is
worse.
smaller.
I know.
You were always weak in maths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody else was
AI
This
100.
one.
Is this the Lebanese?
Yeah.
I love LGBTQ. I really do. ये क्या है bro?
इसके 3 हाथ है.
That's
वो
that's painted.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yo!
That is beautiful.
art.
ये इसने उसके body पे paint किया गया है?
Nahi, it's a dress. Like it's
Wow,
painted like a
bro.
dress, and then it has like
First glance I thought Bianca Censori आई है. उसको ने वो कान्ये वेस्ट ने उसकी एक टाइम पे बीवी थी जिसको नंगा कर दिया था.
एक टाइम पे नहीं अभी भी हो
अभी भी है?
अभी भी है.
Wow यार.
Fuck.
This is a beautiful structure. Like,
बहुत अच्छा है.
it's very pretty.
Right?
It's very pretty.
I love this look.
Yeah. See, you know, I do too. Do you have?
It's on theme. It's so much on theme. It's perfect. I think she got the theme very well, and I think it looks great on her body type as well.
Yeah, the theme
Yeah.
was also like there was so many AI things that the extra limbs, so on theme. We're gonna be like is it
Redefining
AI?
art.
Is it, huh?
Redefining art.
Yeah, all the
Yeah.
art that's gonna be made from now on is going to be AI. She's
Yeah.
ahead of her time.
True. But you know, now I'm trying to like backtrack a little bit and I'm trying to change up the way I'm thinking. I no longer want to judge people based on how it looks on them. I want to judge them based on
The
how the outfit, yes,
The theme.
and the theme, bro.
yes,
Because
the theme.
like, see, I get it. It looks beautiful on her. I'm sure it's like very like okay, it's on theme, but I feel like she's not living up to it.
she's not living up to it.
No, I feel
Okay.
like it's ठीक है. It's if you go to see, it's just the abdomen and like you know the chest and the abdomen portion which looks good. If you see the skirt, pathetic in my opinion.
Okay.
The hair, very basic. The makeup, ठीक है, it's going with the outfit, but I'm not a fan.
Where's your top from?
My top is from. I'd rather not.
Yeah, bitch, exactly.
Exactly, which is why I'm judging this, right? I have vision. I don't have the monies.
no, I low key agree, but not fully. I think I loved the skirt.
I like the hands.
She's done it all, man. Why do you have to critique this?
I love this outfit. I think
Uski chappal bata.
people have done much worse. This
True,
is
true.
actually one of the best.
It's good. It's good.
I'd give this
like
a solid 5.
7.
10 on 10.
Ooh.
Mhm.
She's
Loved
come with
her.
views. You know the one outfit that people had no views on, but I have very strong views on.
Mhm.
Hailey fucking Bieber.
Oh my.
Okay.
goodness.
I think she just looks so incredibly cheap. She saw one of those things that she saw whatever the Kardashians were doing. She copied it. Okay.
Exactly.
And then whatever hue this is of blue looks so cheap. And
It
with that,
does.
I bet she thinks it's a Scandinavian scarf. She will
a
never be
lehenga.
Shanti Priya. She will never be Shanti Priya. She must remove that. The hue on it just looks so cheap. It
Exactly.
looks ancient Egyptian. I don't know what the
Yeah.
hell she was trying to
Yeah,
do.
you know what?
Yeah.
I think I would beg to differ for the color. I feel if it was a different fabric, maybe the color would have looked rich.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. This is
Like,
looking
it's
like
like a-
Madanpura. It is also my bad luck color. It really is.
I think with this color and how sheer the fabric is, it just looks cheap, yes, and it just looks like something you would. I feel like the ends also are like not stitched properly.
I feel like
it's like loose.
I feel like a lot of girls can relate to me when I say this. Girls that shop online a lot or shop on Instagram a lot, you all know this very
Oh my
specific
God.
thing.
Yeah.
That there is this top with the dupatta thingy and a skirt. That's exactly.
This is fast fashion.
Bro,
Hailey Bieber wore fast fashion to the Met.
Haley, bro, you don't have to be this fucking relatable to sell your shit.
Oh my
Fuck
God,
off.
true.
Yes. Can I
Come on.
also how many times have we seen this woman with a slick back?
that was my next point.
You can't be clean girl on the Met.
You cannot.
You cannot be clean girl
I'm
on the
sorry,
Met.
this is not
Shut-
art. This is not on theme. This does not look good. This is just there's no jewelry. Where are your bangles? Where are
Where's
your rings?
anything? This is not giving me
Earrings,
anything.
necklace. I'm sorry
Paint
if
your
you
body. Do something.
that golden is also such a sad tone of gold.
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like इसने ये 3 घंटे में बनाया है.
2 घंटे bro.
Bro, so true. You know that those
उसने रास्ते में उठाया है ये.
those like Instagram like mom and daughter duos that would make
Teen
outfits
girl.
from scratch.
Yeah.
Indian like very normal middle class people. I think they would do such a better job if they were commissioned.
I do not want you to compare them to her.
I'm
bro. That
saying
was-
they would do a better
Yeah,
job
exactly,
if they were
still-
commissioned. Who is she
Yeah.
wearing?
This is-
Can you please check?
I'm sorry to the
No, I'm not. Do better.
I am going to.
no, that they are getting such bad representation because of Hailey.
No,
No.
Hailey had no say in it. No,
Yeah, it's the designers.
it's the designers. I mean, yeah, she has
Yeah,
a say
but-
because she's Hailey
but
Bieber.
it's 50-50.
YSL?
Yeah.
YSL?
What?
YSL?
It's a 24-karat gold molded breastplate.
I don't care, bro. That
Loki
shit.
expected from YSL. It plays very safe. YSL
Okay.
plays very safe.
You're giving me 24 carat on the bodice.
Yeah.
Why are you cheaping out on dupatta material?
I don't know. That's YSL.
Yuck.
oh,
I can't even see her shoes, man. And the slick back. Please fuck off with that slick back.
Yeah, enough
Let's-
of it. It's
let-
very
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
very
And
let's
she
rate
needs,
it.
she needs to go to Richfield. Like,
Yeah.
side note.
Let's rate it and get this done.
a 1.
A 2.
1. For sure. One more designer that really pissed me off was
Yeah.
Miu Miu.
What did
I
they do?
love Miu Miu. They have
Yeah.
fucked Gigi over.
Gigi was wearing Miu Miu.
Gigi
I
was
didn't even
wearing
see a picture of
Miu Miu
Gigi.
and Gigi was looking so bad.
I didn't
need to
even see
see
a picture
this.
of her.
Exactly. One of
What
the,
the hell?
worst dressed.
I
would
remember
say.
seeing this.
भाई चड्डी दिख रही है आपकी.
इसकी चड्डी दिख रही है.
Last time Kendall ने भी दिखाई थी पर वो अच्छी लग रही थी थोड़ी थोड़ी.
I'll come to Kendall after her.
Bro,
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
क्या है?
But
Oh my god! और उसकी चड्डी अच्छी भी नहीं है. Wait, hold on. She's wearing granny panties. She's wearing granny panties to the Met. Oh!
That's a
yo.
diaper, bro. That's a diaper.
Wear a thong. Have some class.
You know, if I were given the chance to correct this fit, might I add, I would have worn like a blingy thong.
yeah.
Like, you know, a thin blingy thong.
Sure. Bro, उसने बाल भी नहीं बनाए. उसने बाल भी नहीं बनाए हैं.
इसने और किम ने बाल नहीं बना के आए हैं. Like they messy look got too messy.
और ये लोग सारा क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप क्यों कर रहे हैं?
See,
क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप करने की
मत
जगह
करो
है.
यार.
क्या कर रहे हो यार?
no enough.
What a shame.
I don't want to
Gigi
talk about
Hadid.
this anymore.
Miu Miu was one of my favorite brands. It
I know.
fucked it
I
over.
have fake Miu Miu glasses. It says Mim Mim.
She wore that. She wore my mim.
Yeah, but this is such a letdown. What is this trying to reference?
Nothing.
Yeah, 2 on 10.
0.5.
Oh wait, I gave 2 to Haley, so this has to be worse. 1 on 10.
0.5.
Just because it's Gigi, you know. I really do
Yeah,
like her.
I love Gigi, but get a say in your fucking
0.5.
dresses.
Yeah.
Coming to the Kardashian sisters.
Oh my god.
Can I stop it?
Please stop it.
Stop it. Like what
What is with the matchy?
what is with the matchy? What is with the
All of these bodices, they've literally gone to Fashion Street, they've raided it,
Ek minute,
and they've taken all of their things that they hang it on,
yeah.
and they've put it on their
yeah.
body. You can see the nips.
Yeah.
See, I get that was very, very intentional. I know it because I'm not trying to be a creep, but I zoomed into the nips to see the detailing,
Mm-hmm.
and like Kylie.
They're off.
No, what?
They're off.
Fuck that, bro. Like Kylie has even put detailing to the nips. If you see,
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
like I don't want to talk explicitly about it because it'll just sound weird. But if
Yuck.
you can just clearly see the difference between hers and Kendall's.
Oh my god.
It's so weird.
and again they did the statues.
They did the statue and it just looks like Kendall's wearing a banyan inside.
Okay,
Haan, bol.
I come with views. तो पहले तो ये bodices, they are all skims, and secondly,
Marketing.
bro, this one Kim, Orange Shaktiman. Kylie, she is giving me. Do you guys remember the time when Kim was trying to fit into her latex dress and then she couldn't get her butt in?
god, yes! That's
It's-
what I thought of today too.
It's literally giving me those flashbacks. और Kendall का fit आ गया, बस थोड़ा सा रह गया.
Correct.
It's the same thing.
Chris, we're not even going to talk about because
Chris,
Chris is wearing is that a kimono?
yes,
that
it's
is a kimono.
Okay, cultural appropriation. Again. From the Kardashian. What a surprise.
Yeah.
I am shocked and surprised.
But
They never fail.
I feel like, you know, the orange on Kim also looks like the iPhone orange, and I hate it. I hate the iPhone orange.
Sanjana was literally saying this the other day. She's like, she's so seriously. She looks at me and she says, Zia, I can't take the orange iPhone seriously. I can't take it seriously. And we have one in the room right now. What do you have to say?
Can I also just say, I've seen people who bought the orange iPhone literally did it only to fit in. Did you not? And then they justified by saying, it's a really nice color, guys. It's a really nice color.
No. They're giving into the propaganda.
They are, bro.
Yeah.
Because if you just look at a normal iPhone, it'll be like, okay, fine, you do. But then if you have the orange, you're like, naya wala.
I know your political leaning. Side eye.
But yeah, this was, I think collectively, I'm going to rate them a 2.
Randomly, also, like Kim is blonde. It's a bad wig.
Yeah.
Bro,
This is her second time being blonde.
Oh my god.
It just got worse.
that's Orange Shaktiman, bro.
That is.
Bro, Loki looks like Shakalaka Boom Boom pencil.
No, Shakalaka Boom
No,
Boom looks
actually,
better.
no, that's Nicole Kidman.
Oh.
Yeah, Nicole Kidman को देखा था वो अपनी बेटी संडे के साथ आई थी उसकी बेटी का नाम संडे है भाई
आइसक्रीम वाली या वीक वाली.
I don't know but her daughter ate her up fully. I don't know
Yeah?
like, Nicole Kidman है कौन एक तो पहले मैंने उसका नाम सुना है.
She's an
हाँ,
actress. She's
she's
a
an
great
actress.
actress.
I've never seen a movie of hers.
Really?
Never. No. What is she in?
I think
There's this movie called Sheru which has
Sheru?
Yeah, it's a
Hindi
good
movie?
No, it's an English movie. It's a good movie. Then she's in 9 Lives, which is a show.
Mm-hmm.
She's in Just Go With It.
You've seen those pencils that we used to have that had the fur on top when we were kids. That's what she is dressed up as. I will show you.
But yeah, you know when you said that Kylie looked like she looked like Kim who was trying to get into that latex
Latex
skirt
skirt.
because she was on the Met, like she was walking up and she was getting her pictures clicked, and I could see her poor soul trying to breathe.
Yeah.
She was like,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was like,
Nicole Kidman, yeah, very NPC.
See, doesn't she look like one of those pencils?
Oh my
Very
god,
NPC.
she looks like a chicken.
Everybody was talking about this look. I don't know why. I think they were
Yeah.
talking because of Sunday. Who's longer? Whose Sundays are longer than Mondays? Like, can we also add that?
Can you zoom into the daughter?
This is see.
Huh?
Sometimes nepotism is fine.
What?
This is as much zoom in as
Oh,
can,
okay.
can do.
Okay, because yeah, Sunday is definitely better than
Yeah.
Nicole.
I
I also like the earrings. I like it goes with the fit.
Yeah. So for the Kardashians, do we rate them separately or do we rate them together? हाँ अच्छा रुको.
Bro, she's
Actually, it's
looking
bad.
Scary. I didn't like both.
On closer look is bad. Sorry guys. Oh god.
I
That's
Is
didn't
it
a
like
not? Is it not cool to do your hair at the Met? Like ये
Is that in?
straightening-
Is that the fashion right now?
I don't know ये straightening iron करके क्यों आ रहे हैं ये लोग? ये सोनिया में भी होता है bro. सोनिया ब्यूटी सैलून में सेम हेयर स्टाइल करवा सकते हो तुम लोग. इसने हेयर कट भी नहीं किया है.
Bro, okay, Zia does more makeup for shoots than these people on the Met.
On the Met.
Get in. Zia needs an invite.
Please.
What's her name? Anna?
Please.
Anna, what are you doing?
Anna
Anna
नहीं है.
Wintour.
Anna गई
Anna
बाबा.
Wintour.
Gari Baba.
Chloe
ठीक है.
करके कोई है.
हाँ.
We know Anna.
I want to talk
Anna-
about.
Anna.
I want to talk about this one also. Beyonce. Bro.
First rate.
Yeah. Kardashians.
Kardashians. All of them together, I give them a solid 3.
Mm-hmm.
4 because I like them.
I get it.
Okay.
Nicole Kidman and Sunday.
I would
Because
give
they come as a
them
pair, I
4.
give them a 4.
Very NPC too.
Yeah, they're like so not relevant. I don't know
Very
why
unhappy.
everybody was
Anymore.
talking about
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to talk about Beyonce.
Can we?
Beyonce. Wait, Beyonce also had like she came in after 10 years and she brought out Blue Ivy.
Yeah.
Can I just say it's like
I thought when I saw Blue Ivy, I was like, this is Beyonce.
Exactly.
Yeah, same.
Because even
same.
on her sets,
Same.
like even on her performances, Blue Ivy is like dancing in
Yeah.
the back, and she's a great dancer,
She's
dude.
a great performer.
She's a
Blue Ivy is
great
a
performer.
great performer.
But yeah, I need to see this.
Beyonce is doing nepotism right, I feel.
Yeah, she's talented. Her daughter is talented.
And she's showing that. Yeah,
Yeah.
she can.
Yeah.
And fair, bro. Even if my mom was like singing, I would be dancing in the back.
Right? Bro, with Beyonce's outfit, it feels like I want you to open it.
Go closer to your mic.
When I'll say it, I want you to keep it open. Beyonce.
Sorry, guys. I think
Ole,
this
ole,
episode will be
ole.
too long.
This episode will be only met.
Will be only met, kya?
Yeah. Doesn't it look like she's auditioning for Game of Thrones if it was made by the Ambanis?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh
These
my
are 3
God.
different looks.
So they are not together, no. They're
They're a
different looks.
family. But
Yeah,
okay,
but
ठीक
they-
है. Beyonce is Game of Thrones sponsored by Ambani's.
Yeah.
Blue Ivy is getting married.
Blue Ivy is getting married to Jay-Z. That's not true. That's her father. That's her father.
She is
She's
walking down the aisle here.
Yeah.
But I loved her
Oh
outfit.
no, what are those legs, babe? Why?
So now she's
I
like
low-key
12.
like it.
Stop bullying her.
That's my job. Right now, that's my job.
I low-key liked it.
True.
It's
Actually,
nice.
okay, she probably just lifted it up because right now it looks fine.
But were we not going to judge them based on the theme?
true.
Beyonce
true.
is on,
On
theme.
Theme.
Jay-Z, of course, is not.
Bro, can you pull the picture of the family,
family
picture?
photo?
Can you believe? Can you please, guys, take me so seriously right now. Jay-Z cheated on Beyonce.
I feel like
How is he not dead?
How is he not? How does he
Bro,
get to stand there?
I don't
With that face.
I don't want to say this, but
Say it.
Jay-Z looks like a pastor.
He looks like pasta, bro. What?
I don't think so. She heard it.
What
I got it.
guys are like? Is this allowed?
No, because see, even that thing on his, his, the left side of
Corsage.
his, yeah. That looks like something you'd wear at a wedding.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, I know what this family dynamic is. This is one of those weddings. You know, when the daughter is getting married, the father is the father, and the mom is like, I'm
Trying
going
to outshine the bride.
This is my moment, huh?
Victoria Beckham.
Ivy, okay, she looks pretty, but she's not on theme.
Yeah.
She isn't on theme. However, she does look like the same as her mom, which is cute.
Which is very cute.
Yeah. I think I'll give them them as a family.
7.
As a family.
5. Beyonce, I would give a 7 because I like the outfit.
I'll give them as a family a 6.
Oh, Blue Ivy is very pretty, bro.
Yeah.
She's so beautiful.
So pretty. I hope she doesn't get cheated on by an
6.
ogre.
Yeah. Or any man for that matter.
Yeah,
or any
yeah.
woman for that matter. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Next.
my next one was a little bit, again, I was very, very confused about this person.
Please tell me.
Is her name is Bhavita sorry.
Mandana.
Mandwa.
Mandwa,
Mandwa.
sorry.
Okay, her
Mandwa.
name is Bhavita Mandwa.
Mm.
And what is this?
Oh, it is beautiful.
Okay, I have opinions.
Please tell.
So there's like a full debacle going
Yeah.
on the internet right now. People are saying that, firstly, the pants, they are silk.
They're not denim.
They are not denims. Even the top, it's organza. And this outfit is the outfit which is very similar to the outfit that she was
It's
wearing.
an ode to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, when she was spotted on the New York subway
Correct.
line by Chanel, and
Yeah.
then they debuted her into a similar kind of outfit only. Chanel spotted her,
Yeah.
and it was like an homage to. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. She was spotted, and then this was like an homage to her. This outfit. She's the first Indian Chanel brand ambassador. So a lot of people on the internet were like, there were so many Chanel brand ambassadors, other brand ambassadors as well, but a lot of people had like a lot of efforts put, and no luxury designer brand would take such a big risk for the Met.
Exactly.
Correct.
Yeah.
They wouldn't do that.
The whole point of Bhavika being there was for her to stand out, and she did.
So exactly,
Fair.
a lot of people on the internet were like, "Is this racism? This is low-key racism just because she is Indian. Maybe they did that, or I don't know." But I think the pure intention of Chanel to do this was to get people talking about her and to get people talking about Chanel.
I'll say it's a very, very bold move. They
Yeah.
did take a big risk by doing this. But given the chance, if I had to do this differently, I would have been inspired by this outfit and done something.
Made it a dress?
Made it a dress, made it on theme.
On
Yeah.
theme.
Because it's also one of the rules of the Met. If you don't stick to the theme, you don't get invited the next time.
The next.
Yeah,
So I don't know if
I feel
this made her at risk of not attending
Yeah.
the Met the next
Yeah.
time. Maybe this was again like a PR move,
Yeah.
for Chanel to stand out
yeah,
in the eyes of people. But I feel like this was just not. If you're representing such a big brand, and I get the backstory behind it, and like I get the intention behind it, but I feel like there was potential to do so much more over
Yeah.
here, especially
See,
from a brand like
when I
Chanel.
was introduced to this, it was Sufi Motiwala yelling at my screen.
Okay.
No hate, no shade to Sufi.
Of course.
And I was like up in arms. I was like, isko jeans mein kyun dala hai, bro?
Yeah.
But knowing the backstory, knowing
Yeah.
everything, this is, bro, the sheer fact that we have spent now, 5 minutes talking about this.
exactly.
We've not given that much
True.
time to all of these outfits. This is a
Exactly.
statement. It's not an outfit. It's supposed to be a statement. It could have given, because she was spotted in this. She walked the runway in this. Now she's at the Met in this. She's so new and she's so like fresh. She didn't even want this for herself. She was
Yeah.
studying in New York.
Yeah.
She got
True.
scouted.
Yeah.
True.
Can we diversify and like let her have a career that's not just this outfit?
Yeah.
Exactly. That's also my point.
exactly.
Because see, you were spotted in this outfit and then you made you had your runway in that.
Yeah.
Let your story be more than just that,
That,
right? Like you don't
right.
have to let that trickle down into all the things that you
Hmm.
end up going to, right? That was my problem with this
I
outfit.
genuinely feel sad for her. I
Yeah.
know she had no say in this, and I feel very sad for her.
Hmm.
If this does go south and like if she has a good relationship with Chanel or any other brand, like maybe they'll pay to like have her on next year and do better. I hope.
Fair.
Hopefully,
I really hope for
Yeah.
Bhavika.
but
to
yeah,
Have you
wait.
seen her parents' reaction to
Yeah, I did.
her
I did. It was
walking
very
down
cute. I
the
did.
show? Oh my god,
It was very
so
nice.
cute, man.
Yeah.
Like I really hope the best for her.
True.
I know she comes from good intentions. I can just
Of
tell.
course, of course. I think if I had to rate this outfit based on the backstory of it and the intention for it, I would give it an 8. But for the outfit in itself, I would give it a 2.
No, overall, backstory, theme, outfit, I'm giving it a 4.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving it a 5. She accessorized more than Hailey Bieber.
Than anyone. Than anyone at the Met.
Honestly, she doesn't need makeup. However, she did it.
She's that girl.
She's that girl.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
she's beautiful.
She's
Yeah.
God
amazing.
damn it.
I would scout her.
Okay,
Gag it.
I want to talk about Blake Lively next.
Oh, please.
Okay.
I don't want to talk about her. So blah.
What about her? Tell us.
रुक ना खुलने दे.
Yeah.
Raj.
I remember, I think it was in 2016.
When she had the transformative dress. Oh.
When it was like the Blake Lively dress. The
Yeah,
Blake Lively. The Blake Lively.
She
It was it.
She was met.
Yeah.
Yeah,
she
she
was,
was
she was
met.
and I think that's where I learned about Blake Lively, I think it was like
Mhm.
years back.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, wow, who is, and in my mind, I was like, is this like a,
Watch Gossip Girl, no?
Me.
yeah, but I never, like, I don't think I watched it back then, but like, I never pictured the 2 and 2. I didn't put
Got
2
it.
and 2 together.
Got it.
But I always thought, she was like this, like, big influential person. And then I was like, oh, she is big.
She
But
is.
she's an actress. Like, I'm not like disregarding her, but I genuinely thought she was like, oh, like a,
Yeah. You're like, this is
Yeah.
Anna Wintour. Blake
So-
Lively. Yeah.
Her outfits have been like bobs every year. Like
yeah, true.
crazy. I love her outfits.
She goes all out for
Yeah.
us.
Irrespective of the kind of person she is, I do really love her outfits. But this time, bro, look at the trail.
Bro, she is looking like the Barbie cakes.
अरे fuck that. पीछे trail दिखा. गोदड़ी नहीं लग रही है.
Yes, that's a blanket.
It feels like it's a blanket of all the
वो-
blankets in their house.
वो साड़ी की blanket नहीं बनाते हैं.
Exactly.
No. When you go to a party and then when you go to one of those parties where like they have a carpet down and then the corner of the hall it's all like scrunched up. That's that.
Ooh, nah. Why would you paint that picture?
That is
Someone's
a party
puked
gone
on
wrong.
it. Someone's puked on it, bro.
No, the colors are also pathetic.
Yeah,
Nothing can save this dress.
hideous.
How did she do this? And why is
Why
she wearing
did
a
she?
fucking ball gown? This is not Bridgerton.
It's bad for Bridgerton standards.
No, the colors also not, like the combination of the colors are not.
Kasada ice cream लग रही है. Kasada ice cream.
Kasara ice cream X Barbie cake from Monjani's when you were.
From a local shop, bro, not Monjani's.
Monjani's is as local as it gets.
No, bro, you
Sanjana.
can get more local than that. You know it.
It's the unedible buttercream. It's the shortening with food color in it. The Barbie does not have legs. It's just the top.
Oh my
They're cutting corners. Low-key glad I can't see her shoes because I'd be more disappointed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है इसको ज्यादा बुरा लगा इसको बारहवीं में नहीं लिया.
Oh, girl, she's trying to fulfill her dreams.
Oh my god,
that's sad.
Where's her can?
Anyway, speaking about okay,
अरे
sorry, we
rate
got
करो
a,
इसको.
sorry, rating. I'd give this a 1.
So not on theme. I'll give this a 0.
0.
A 0. That's what she deserves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I think speaking about shoes and
Okay.
someone who did not pull up in shoes but pulled out a fucking fit
Mm-hmm.
was Doechii.
Doechii.
Oh my god, that woman.
But wasn't she? I felt
didn't
like
her.
yeah, exactly. I felt like she was just. Let me see it
I
again.
didn't like her.
That's babe. I think this is an ode to an African art form, but
okay.
this is looking like
Holy shit. Go on.
it's looking like she took the parda off of her this thing and she wrapped it around.
Yeah.
I see it, but I
Yeah.
feel like this outfit and this look is so layered. And that's not a pun intended. There's no pun intended, but
There's no layer. How will you
There
know?
is no, there's one layer, Sanjana.
the headpiece and like the layers of her, like the pleats.
एक ही layer है भाई.
But anyway,
I think
I feel-
she means drapes.
Yeah.
okay, I know that this outfit is probably not the best of the bunch, but I feel like, again, she wanted to make a statement and she did. She did pay homage to her culture here.
Okay.
And with, like, bro, you're telling me not coming in shoes is not going to make people talk?
We spoke about Heidi Klum also.
Yeah.
Fair.
It looks very low effort to me.
Yeah, very.
It
low.
looks, I don't know. It may be low effort, but I really like the way she's carrying it and like her makeup and the headpiece and the way that it's so flowy. I personally liked it.
Effort is there.
Yeah.
It's not on theme. I don't know what she's paying homage to. If she's paying homage to something, I don't know what it is.
It's probably not like, again, like I said, it's probably not the best, but I really like this fit.
Is it because I shop from Colaba? What? Is it because I don't get it because I shop from Colaba?
yes.
Maybe
I
it's
just shop
that.
from the better shops at Colaba and you don't.
Right.
Which is why I get
You
it.
don't bargain.
You want me to show you how I bargain?
No, but even I don't get it, and I don't shop at Colaba.
Okay.
Fine. But yes, that was mine. I
Srishti
really liked
says
it.
such likable things, no?
Yeah. She has such a niche audience.
Yeah. It's just her.
Okay,
we-
it's 80% of her views.
I give this a 3.
Okay. I give this an 8.
I'd give this a 5
You know,
because I like the accessories and the headpiece.
Yeah.
And
Effort is there.
yeah.
This is my hottest take ever. Sam
I just got a
Smith
glimpse.
came and ate. Sam Smith ate that.
Oh my god.
I love it. Okay. This is now Sanjana's not here, Srishti's not here, the audience is not here. It's just me and Anuj. Come here, Anuj. Oh, you like this, don't you? Anuj MP4 would eat this up. If Anuj MP4 was friends with Sam Smith, he would steal it. He would steal this outfit, and I know it's giving that robe. It's giving like it's over the top. I think honestly, Anuj MP4
He's
and
over the top, bro, with that.
Anuj MP4 and Sam Smith would be friends.
Yeah.
I said what I
see it.
said.
see it.
This is so good. I would love to wear this. Come on. Wouldn't I like eat this up? Tell me I
No.
wouldn't eat this up. I would eat this up. Fuck off. Fuck right off. What is he wearing? I'm so passionate about this.
Something he's wearing.
Designer, I'm asking.
I got that. Why is he wearing that? Question for the mass.
No, bro. Look at him. He's doing.
See, I would give it to him only because he is carrying it well. Like, he's very, very extravagant, very loud, very out and about it.
C से कुछ है ना? हाँ, उसका दोस्त होगा.
इसलिए पहन रहा है.
Christian Cohen उसका दोस्त है.
अगर दोस्त नहीं होता तो ये नहीं पहना होता.
Christian Cole, uska dost.
Bro, oh.
Okay.
See, he's definitely his friend because half of his feed is filled with Sam Smith only.
Wow.
He looks like a statue that I would want to keep in my rich house.
No.
No, Sam Smith is like,
He's
and I love
serving.
it. Bro, he likes his fit.
Bro, मैं बोलूँ ये ऐसे बल्क में कपड़ा मिलता है ना क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट में अनारकली वगैरह और ये बड़े बड़े ड्रेसेस बनाने का कपड़ा वो लेके
This is
आया
making
ऐसा
me
लग
so
रहा है.
upset. You guys
Is it?
don't understand. Y'all have no
No,
vision.
I
No, this is no vision.
He looks like a crow.
Yeah, he looks like a crow.
And that's so artistic.
Beg to differ.
No.
Agree to disagree.
You can beg all you want. Beg,
I
borrow,
will only
steal.
beg. I have to beg.
This for me is a 9.
Bro, I literally thought this was your bad take.
What?
I thought this was what you wanted to make
He's
fun of.
eating. The thing is that I don't see many people on this carpet that love it. He loves it. You can tell. He's so confident. He's wearing it. The
Or
dre-
maybe he's just high, bro.
You can't say that. It's not allowed to be drunk or high. They serve only
Yeah.
Jain food.
Jen and Dhritika
Yeah.
would eat that up.
Dhritika would love
We need
the
to get
man.
her on that guest list, bro. Paneer, she'll go ham on that.
No, it has
Cottage cheese.
no onion, no garlic. Means like they're not having garlic bread over there.
No.
Why am I going?
Oh, they don't have fries?
They don't have fries. Kela fries they're serving.
No. Fries, potatoes हो सकता है.
They're not actually Jain, that was a joke.
No, they don't serve garlic and onion.
हाँ,
But potatoes they serve.
Oh, okay, fair.
Onion and garlic because bread.
Bread. No, that's one of the points because they're like, you make personal relationships and you go closely and talk. Not like you can talk at this
At this,
distance.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I can hear you clearly, bitch. Can you? They don't have headphones and mics there.
They don't. It's not a podcast.
What?
What are they doing inside if it's not a podcast?
Disgusting.
Yeah. No, this is a 9.
This is 5, bro.
Y'all
This
don't
is-
see it.
This is a 2 for
I
me.
don't want to
it's
see
not
it.
on theme. It's not.
He's probably paying homage to something. Yaar, he's put
fashion.
in effort.
Everyone whose outfits are bad, paying homage, paying homage, paying homage.
क्यों भाई अपने घर पे होम में करो homage. Not okay.
Kill कर दिया ना. Ritika की कमी में.
Whoa!
But yeah, I would
AC
give
लगवा
this-
दोगे? Please.
I would give this a 5. 3.
9 यार.
Wow.
अच्छा दिख रहा है.
3.
Sam Smith.
Sam
You
Bhaiya.
know, it's a bad year for the Met.
Mhm.
When I become a K-pop stan,
Oh.
why did this is my best dress, like best top, like this killed it for me.
Mhm.
No, actually, there was one more on top of this, but Lisa from Blackpink.
Oh yeah.
Yo!
Yeah.
Why she ate that?
Yeah.
Why she
Yeah.
ate so hard? Can we
Yeah.
get Lisa from
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nah,
Yeah.
that's beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah. I love that.
So good. And the other
Gaurav
Blackpink
Gupta.
people did not.
He did that.
Why is everyone wearing Gaurav Gupta at the Met? No, this is good. She did the hair, she did the makeup, the outfit is
Yes.
eating, and
Yes.
how.
Yeah.
I've never paid attention to these K-pop people, okay? And you know, all love and respect to people that like K-pop, but I don't like it.
Yeah. Same.
This stood out to
Yeah.
me as an organic audience. It stood out to you. You've never heard a K-pop song besides like
Never.
Butter from BTS.
Butter and but
But that's also Bruno Mars.
Bruno Mars.
Yeah, but this is so good. The
Yeah.
hands, it's draping,
yeah.
yummy.
See, I think even the little hair thingy that she's done on her forehead, the eyes giving. Like, see this, like if you see the rest of her face, like she's done a very little nude lip, but the eye is like standing out.
Yeah, yeah.
She
The
did her
necklace,
hair.
the outfit fits her so well.
So well.
The structure behind her, it looks like a canopy, but
Yeah, I loved
Great.
everything about this outfit.
There was a
Yeah.
pre-party before the Met, and everybody went and they missed their makeup appointments, but Lisa did not go. So she went to her makeup appointment. Everyone else is a clean girl.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what happened. I was there.
Ooh.
And the more you zoom into this outfit, the better it gets.
Yeah.
This is a 10 for me.
Oh wait, can you zoom in into her like okay, no, like a little down? Okay, no, I thought her kacha could be seen and I thought she did it well, but it's just the design of her dress. That's
It is sheer.
beautiful.
Wow. I would wear this to my wedding without the hands.
Wait, what's with everyone using multiple hands?
I'd give this
Statues,
a
no?
8.
I'll give this a 9.5.
Actually, 9.5 because my 10 is coming up.
Oh.
My 10 is coming up.
Ooh.
8.
Who was your 10?
I have 100. Karan Johar, and then
Karan
now-
Johar. Oh, we do want to talk about Manish Malhotra.
Yeah,
Like
now
the
Manish
details
Malhotra.
of Manish Malhotra's outfit.
Babe, I cannot. Manish, infinity out of 10.
Have you seen that
Fucking
picture of him
infinity.
with his karigars?
Yes, I want you guys to zoom into this hand
Ooh.
side of his. Can you open the Instagram post that he has posted? There is the thread works in detailing.
Oh, yeah, I
There's
think
C-Link.
so.
There's Mumbai C-Link.
Wow.
There's a taxi.
Now see,
There's a
that is
taxi.
representation.
Then the karigars weaving fabric, which is like coming down peak detailing.
Yeah, you know, I love when representation actually shows representation and not just
Yeah.
left to interpretation. Because see, as someone from the outside, if they look at it, they'll be like, okay, fine, they're appropriating their culture. But I don't know anything about it. This spoke.
Ooh!
This spoke.
I didn't see this
volumes.
angle.
This speaks volumes.
Volumes. Look at that.
Yo.
Just look at
That is
If
freaking
she ate
insane.
that.
The entire thing that's happening around is
That's the Taj?
yeah, that's
That-
Taj. It's like bro, that's Govinda also. People climbing up on
Oh
each
my
other.
God!
There is it's entirety of Bombay. There's I think at a point I had seen local train and stuff.
I
am-
have chills.
I
I
am
have chills. No, this is so surreal because he's in New York. He's wearing this. He's showing off. We are, 500 meters away from this place.
Yeah.
I feel chills.
I,
the
feel
hell?
proud. I feel proud.
This
Yeah.
is
To
done
be a
so
Mumbaikar.
well.
I feel so proud to be a Mumbaikar because of Manish Malhotra. Love that guy.
No, this has to be like my top, I feel.
Yeah, that and he's paying respect to all of
Oh
his
my
workers.
workers.
God, that man, respect.
Insane.
Can't believe it.
This
You know,
is,
he lost his mom a few months ago. That's so sad.
yeah.
I wish she was there to see.
I
this.
wish she was there to see this.
Insane guy, dude. Insane guy.
Class.
Classy.
Very,
It's
very,
very,
very
very classy. It could, bro. It was so easy to make this so cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
It would have been so easy.
Yes. And I also love that he chose to be very, very classy with the black and white.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It
He
is
wasn't
art.
worried it would get lost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was not worried at all. He was very
I
confident
think
in
for-
his design.
Correct. And I think for people who wanted to see and like were genuinely interested, they would find a way to pay attention to his outfit. And I think that it did happen.
Yes.
If you can pay that much attention to Isha Ambani's outfit, you can pay that much attention to Manish Malhotra's
Yeah.
outfit.
Yes.
This wasn't loud in the sense that in a flashy sense. It was
It
loud that
wasn't
it was
jewels.
like a
It
silent
was
loud.
craftsmanship.
Yeah, it's pure craftsmanship. It's like craftsmanship at its
Finest.
This is a 10.
This is like 100, bro. This is my top, I think.
Infinity. This has to be. This is my top. Then it's Karan Johar, and then it's Sabina Ketty.
Oh, you know what I want to talk about?
Yeah.
I want to talk about somebody that like, really, really did disappoint me
Mhm.
this year was Katy Perry.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
What?
This woman, okay, Katy Perry,
Yeah.
look at what she's wearing.
I
She's
know,
wearing
I
something
saw.
white, whatever. Like,
I saw that.
nobody gives a rat's ass about what this woman is wearing. Again, she stole the dress from Blue Ivy, by the way.
She's like, तू पहन पहले
तू
बाद में मेरे को दे दे."
bathroom में देना.
Oh, she's playing that martial art.
Fencing.
She's doing that.
Fencing कर रही है ये.
उसका जला क्यों
जला हुआ है
जला
क्या
हुआ
पीछे
है?
से? अल्लाह. Sorry. But bro, this woman would pull up as a burger few
I
years ago.
expected so
And
much.
what is this?
No, this is just disappointing.
It's
So where did she go? She went to Kleinfeld. Kleinfield?
Kleinfield.
Kleinfield.
ऐसा लग रहा है मुंह पे कटोरी लगा के घूम रही है.
It's looking so bad.
But like, nothing about this is cohesive.
It's not
Yeah.
cohesive. Also, like, this is not paying homage.
This is not paying. This is not doing anything.
For
What?
the record, this is not
Even as
paying
a
homage.
wedding dress, it's pathetic.
What
Why
could
is it so
she-
boxy and then like ew?
Yeah, what would she pay homage to? Steel के कटोरियाँ.
Maybe she's like, oh, she did get married in India once.
Once.
Yeah, like her first. She
Okay.
got married in Jaipur. She has a tattoo here that it's a Sanskrit tattoo. I don't know what it says.
Of course, she has
Yeah.
a Sanskrit tattoo.
She came to India and she found herself.
Yeah.
Okay, white lady.
God. Yeah, that's an ick, by the
Bro,
way, of mine. White
honestly-
people getting Hindi or like Sanskrit tattoos.
And like, she looks like she would love Eat, Pray, Love.
Oh, she definitely does. She watches that every Sunday.
Katy Perry, Petty Carey.
मुंह पे बेटी है उसके.
मुंह पे बेटी है. Katy Perry को I will give 3 out of 10.
I'll give this like a 1, bro. It's like really bad.
मेरी
Yeah.
बचपन की यादें जुड़ी है इससे.
Okay, thinking about the burger too.
The burger that you ate 10 years ago.
And 8 in that.
She did that exactly.
Yeah. And she
didn't,
shat it here.
You know, we didn't respect those themes that they used to have. They had a 2016 theme was camp.
Yeah, camp. Do you remember what Priyanka Chopra
I literally thought of her. She was a fabulous toothbrush.
Yum.
Okay.
So yeah, Katy Perry disappointed us.
Yes.
But maybe next year we'll see her as a burger again. Honestly, I just want to see Katy Perry as a burger.
Yeah.
And I want to see Lady Gaga in the meat dress again. Like, I just want my childhood back.
you're
I
saying what I'm
just want my
thinking.
childhood back.
Same. Like, I love how they used to go so out with their fits and they did not give a shit. Bro,
Yeah.
imagine the person sitting next to Lady Gaga.
It's a vegan.
No onion garlic.
I don't think did she wear that to the Met? Did she wear that somewhere else?
She wore it to
The
the
Met.
Grammys or like Grammys, I think.
Yeah, Met में तो उसको बुलाते ही नहीं फिर वो बाद में. उसको अंदर नहीं आने देते bro.
No, but like, see, that's a stinky fit, but that was so.
Maybe it was fresh meat. That's not
Still,
that stinky, bro.
After those hours at that event,
Bro,
Oh, yeah,
VMA.
VMA.
Imagine it
I want
goes
to see
green.
it again.
It goes green when it's kissed. And then it stinks.
I want to see it.
no.
From afar, it looks like Shein.
Yeah.
Oh, and why the blue hair?
Insane.
No, Sanjana, we want this back.
Oh, yeah, fair.
So, one person that has blown me away every year,
Hmm.
and because I love her journey,
Okay.
especially, she started off as an interviewer on
Oh my
the
god.
carpet,
yes.
and now she has secured a place for at least 10 years easy. And this is like she's getting invites, she's not buying this shit.
Mhm.
Emma Chamberlain, 8.
I
Yes.
love her.
This is what I
Yes.
expected Blake Lively to pull out.
Yes.
Ooh,
Yes.
that is.
This.
Cool.
Yes.
Can I,
Look,
okay.
can you zoom into the the tits? Yo.
Wrong person.
it's
Oh,
a
Insane.
it's oil paint.
God, that is
Yeah.
drop dead gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the colors blend in so well. She looks like a mermaid. She looks like something from the sea.
Mm-hmm.
She
Yeah.
looks like algae, but in the best way possible.
She
yes,
looks like-
yes. The corals, you know,
Yes.
when you go deep sea diving and then you see
Those
that
things flowing,
corals.
right?
Tare Zameen Par Ishan ki
Ooh!
painting. Tare
This is
Zameen
it.
Par Ishan
She
ki painting.
doesn't even know what she did.
She is part of our culture too.
She's the Indian one. Listen, okay, she looks like she shouldn't be interviewing people. She still did. She looks like she should just
Yeah.
walk in and sit next to Anna. That's what she looks like.
Yeah.
But she
You know, there were not rumors, but like people were talking about how she should be the next Anna Wintour.
Ooh,
And
would
I
love that.
agree.
I
would-
want
I
her.
want her because she would
I
be
want
the
her. She's an
perfect
icon.
representation of our generation.
Generation. She really is. And you know, to see her, like, what I don't want to sound like a douchebag, but I did subscribe to her when she was like less than 100K. Like, watching her, like, in her car, and now
Yes.
seeing her here.
I've seen her grow, her
I'm
journey.
So
And it's so
attached
good.
to this woman, and she is so unproblematic.
Yes.
I-
Yes. Yes.
I
yes.
love everything she
love
stands for.
Everything.
Yes,
I mean,
I
she
love
doesn't
her.
really talk politically much, but like, theek hai, everyone has their flaws.
Yeah.
She, I do love her podcast also. She's the only podcast I still listen to.
Yeah. I love.
This
love.
is a 10.
10 on
from
10.
me.
This is a solid 11 on 10, bro. This is beautiful.
I'm so
Amazing.
upset that she did not get to talk to Jack Harlow this time.
I know. That chemistry, I only want to see that on the Met though.
But like she's
It's so
known for
cute.
dating musicians. Yeah.
Hmm?
Mm.
Okay.
No, Jack Harlow's mine.
Okay. Emma Chamberlain, look out.
Emma Chamberlain, 10 on 10.
10 on
this, yeah, she ate that down,
She did.
fully.
Love
you.
that.
bro.
Love
And
you.
makeup and hair also she did, by the
Yeah.
way.
Ooh.
Exactly.
She looks rich. She looks like she knows her place.
I'm not missing the
Yeah.
eyebrows at all.
I
Not
never
at all.
miss. Very few people can pull that off.
Yeah.
Mm.
She does. She's one of
Yeah.
them.
So somebody who okay, would you ever? This is a question to both of you. If you were invited to the Met more than once, would you ever repeat an outfit?
No.
No. I know who you're talking about.
Anna
Wintour.
Wintour
Yes.
repeated an outfit?
Yes.
She's
Yes.
the one person that's not supposed to do that.
I
Yes.
know.
She's the one person that's not
I
supposed to
think
do
She
that.
went against her own rules.
I think it was a bitch move. I think it was like a power move
Yeah, and I
rather than
think-
a bitch move.
True. And I think the only person that could do it is Anna Wintour.
She wanted
Anna
to
Wintour.
match the carpet,
Carpet.
apparently.
That's what people were saying, yeah.
Yeah. Why she did that?
Again, like, I'm all in for her hair, the same signature hair that she's had for donkey's
Willy Wonka
years.
hair.
Yeah.
And her shades that she judges people from behind off.
Mhm.
But I feel like this outfit is not that great. I did not like this outfit. It's just she looks like one of those cheap fairies that you have in school plays.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
just stand at the back.
I'm actually feeling scared to critique this.
Loki.
What?
Ostrich feathers.
Mm.
Supposed to be like cheap ass fabric.
Oh, it's
Yo.
supposed to be cheap fabric too. That's crazy.
Anna, you disappointed, babe.
You
Sorry.
disappointed.
Nah.
We didn't
No.
come here for you, but like when we saw you, we were disappointed. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry.
Expected
Yeah.
so much more from you.
You don't have to always match the carpet. It's
Yeah.
okay. And never ever repeat an outfit again, Anna.
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
like, I
these, are,
love
these
you.
are our rules for you, babe. For you.
It's just not your thing, maybe.
Okay, one
Switch it up.
last one that I
Mhm.
want. That this is my top. This is
Okay.
my 10 on 10.
Oh,
I know.
Okay.
I think I know.
This is a painting that was. I think we can pull up the reference painting too. This is Madonna's outfit. She
Yeah.
had an entourage.
Yeah.
mhm.
Everybody was dressed.
Yeah.
Everybody was dressed exactly like
Exactly
the painting. She looks like she's 30. She looks younger than me.
yeah.
Madonna looks younger than
Bro,
me.
My dad used to listen to her.
Exactly.
And I'm like, this does not, the timelines don't match.
They never.
like something's off.
Why is she still here? Yeah. Like I love Madonna, but like her age does not make sense to me.
Same. She's what,
No.
70 in her 70s or 80s?
She looks like she's in her 30s. Look at this fucking picture.
This is scary, to be honest.
Like,
Like,
so that was a painting.
wow.
And this is what she did, bro. She ate that down. All of these, like her whole entourage is also exactly dressed like the way they are. I wonder if they got one pass or if they got passes for all of them. I'm actually wondering that.
For all of them.
And it looks good from all angles. Can I tell you that much? Like
Damn.
that's
This
sick.
is art.
There's
This
like
is
a-
art.
Ship on her head also.
There's a ship on her head.
But I did not like it.
Look at her skin, bro.
Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah.
It's a little freaky
Yeah.
to me. But yeah, she looks beautiful. And I really
Gorgeous.
liked the idea, the concept around bringing an entourage.
Yeah.
It was
On theme,
well thought of.
For
well
the
thought of.
theme, for the pulling off, for all of that, I'm giving it a 10. Actually, I'm giving it a 10.5. I can't give her more than ASAP.
I'll give this a 10. This is a solid 10 because
She-
I didn't like the standalone outfit in itself, but the fact that she got everyone to do it together
Yeah.
is what I appreciated.
Her sticking to the theme is why I would be giving it an 8. Otherwise, I did not like it.
Mm-hmm.
You
No.
didn't like this?
No.
Okay.
I'd give this a 10.
Yeah, it's awesome to me.
Yeah.
I think I like this more than Sam Smith.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But I think the last person that I really, really liked the outfit of, and I think it's also because I liked the fact that she put thought into it and was very personalized, was Sabrina Carpenter. She
Yeah.
had
Yeah.
a real, it was not the prettiest outfit, but it was a very well thought out outfit.
It was film reel. Can you pull up
It
the reference?
Yes.
Because-
There's a reference. Oh yeah, of the movie.
Because
There's a movie
I-
poster.
Yeah, I was thinking what defines art and fashion in a great way? A movie.
A movie.
Oh, yeah.
And bro, she's a genius.
She is. She's
Sabrina
actually...
Carpenter is a fucking genius and we
Yeah.
are all here for it.
True.
Love Sabrina.
She-
Her outfit just like...
You've
was
seen the
the
poster?
yeah.
The movie is called Sabrina.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is so cute.
It's so cute, bro.
Zoom it in,
Oh.
zoom it in, zoom it. She took one of Neeta Ambani's jewels also. I think. Neeta Ambani has too many emeralds.
She does.
She does.
She
Except for
casually
the
dropped
rest of
one.
us. Crazy.
That is... And I see, you could go very wrong with making an outfit from
Out of a
something
film
like a
reel.
film reel.
Mm.
But then the way she's tailored it according to her body type and the way that it cinches in the right
Yeah.
places,
Yeah.
I think she's done a phenomenal job. And even
Yeah.
the headpiece, oh my God, she looks rich.
Yeah.
She looks
she
rich
does.
and royal.
I just saw a glimpse of Emma Chamberlain and
Got distracted.
no, Sabrina pales in comparison.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
does.
of
She
course.
does, of course. But like, I just
Yeah.
like the thought behind it, and I love the train. I love the butt.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's so nice. The heels could have been better, but I really liked this outfit.
I love this outfit.
Even
it's
the headpiece.
very.
Yeah,
it's
it's-
giving very Great Gatsby.
It is. And I think, who would pull this outfit very well?
Mhm.
Urfi Javed as well. No, not kidding. Honestly.
True, I see it.
She
I
would.
see it.
She would.
Would pull this like crazy.
Hold on. The cops. Are they gone?
Yeah.
They're coming for us.
They're coming for it. I
Yeah, I
went tour.
I think Urfi would also pull this
True.
outfit.
Oh my God, Urfi should have been there.
Urfi! Oh my
Bro,
god.
they should call Urfi.
They
She
should
yaar.
deserves it.
Yeah.
I love her.
Yeah.
I low-key like.
Did
Nidhi
Nancy
Sharma.
Tyagi do the Met?
I
Or
don't
she
know.
did. She did Can.
She did
She
cans.
can.
She did.
And you to buy cans का ticket.
Can कर सकते हैं. Can कर सकता है. Met नहीं
People
होगा.
from Brute also buy can tickets, so
Why did you do that, Sonali? Why? What's it to you with Brood, bro? What do they do to you? You're like, Vice भी जाता है वहाँ पे.
BuzzFeed.
BuzzFeed भी जाता है.
Yeah,
Can.
but I think I would rate this outfit a good 10.
Same.
This is a
No,
10.
yeah, this is an 8 for me.
It's a 10 for
It's
me.
a 10 for me.
It's very well thought out though. But I just saw that glimpse of Emma Chamberlain and then I couldn't look away.
Fair.
I have a question for you guys. So one of the most important thing that happens at the Met is
Mhm.
not what they say. It's not the food. It's not the networking. It's none of that. It's actually there's this thing where people club together in the Met washroom.
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah,
And then
yeah,
they take a
yeah.
mirror
Mirror
selfie.
selfie.
This year, if you were at the Met, who would you want to be in your mirror selfie?
Oh, this.
Definitely Emma.
Emma needs to be there. Madonna needs to be there with her
Madonna.
whole entourage.
Yes. I think she would cover most of the frame.
Yeah,
With
and
her
the
entourage.
Kardashian needs to be at the
And-
door, and they need to guard. Like, no,
they
don't
need
come
to
in.
be sitting and then eat and go home.
Don't let them eat.
Yeah.
My mirror selfie is different. I'll say. It.
Okay.
Okay, so Emma, Madonna, definitely Manish Malhotra. Dochi.
Bro, Dochi will have a nip slip that you'll post.
Yeah, I think my circle is going to be small.
Lisa has to be there.
Yeah,
Lisa.
fair. Yes.
Blackpink Lisa.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine would be Isha, Manish Malhotra,
Mm-hmm.
Karan Johar, Emma Chamberlain, of course, Sabrina, Sabina Getty. I loved her outfit. And ASAP Rocky.
ASAP. How did I forget that?
Not Rihanna though.
Rihanna can sit this one
sit
out.
out.
Yeah.
Can sit this one
Rihanna.
But
out.
I would also have Heidi and Anok
No, I wouldn't want them.
in mine, bitch.
Listen,
Yeah.
like little bit cloud chasey you have to be. You are at the Met.
I am
I
subtle
know
like that.
Anna Wintour did that, but like I know she would never use the Met washroom. Anna Wintour would never
Oh
use
my
the
God,
Met
yeah,
washroom. She'd
yeah.
be like, "This is so like she would have
She's-
a separate washroom."
Yeah, she'd be like so
She has a
beneath
private
me.
one. Yeah,
She's holding
definitely.
in her pee, bro.
For sure.
She's peeing in her limo.
Oh yeah.
Easily.
But yeah, I think that would be my mirror selfie.
What was your question?
What would you guys wear to the Met?
I don't depend on who's taking me, na.
This
But ठीक है, if you
this
had to
year, if
wild guess.
yeah, this year if we were going, I would want to wear Manish Malhotra because of how amazing he was this year. On the theme. If it was like last to last time themes, Gardens of the Time, I would go with Sabyasachi. But this time, since it was like Manish Malhotra, I would love to wear like a mural painting sari, like just mural painting on the drapes, and then the blouse could be like see, again, no, I don't want like an ornament blouse, but I would want it to be do you guys remember like very thin Indian blouses that people would wear in the early times, like the tube ones,
yes.
like
yes.
a yellow tube and like a
Mhm.
mural painting with like blue, olive green shades and red mitti wala color, all of that.
She
then-
comes with a vision.
Yeah, bro.
And then I would like accessorize it heavily with South Indian golden jewelry.
Love.
Yeah. I don't have a designer in mind, but I think what I would want for my outfit to consist of would be heavy on the jewelry, because I am a maximalist like that. I love to be flooding in like jewelry from head to toe. I don't care how maximalist or how heavy it looks. I think I would just want to be jeweled up like that. I would want like a train or like a veil or some sort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a train is so elegant. It just
Yes.
looks so
Yeah.
feminine, in my opinion.
Mm.
Those are the two non-negotiables that I have. Uske baad, I feel like I just want rich colors. That's
Yes.
all.
I think I won't wear a sari because I feel like there's enough people doing it, and there's enough people doing it well.
Mm-hmm.
There's enough representation for that. I think one of the things, like when I think of art, right? There's this thing that I used to do as a kid. Like we had this terrace,
Mm-hmm.
and there used to be workers over there, and they were doing like a mosaic.
Oh.
Like they would break
the
tiles.
tiles,
They
yeah,
would
yeah.
break the tiles and do it. And I used to be so engrossed in that. And I was they saw them as like karigar or whatever, but they are craftsmen,
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
for sure.
They're
Yeah.
craftsmen. So something to do with the mosaic theme.
I see that
I
for
would
you.
really like that. Something
Yeah.
colorful. I show up, I show out. And this is just in case Emma Chamberlain is still wearing her dress. Otherwise, I'll wear her dress. I don't care.
Mhm. Yeah, I see it.
I'll steal her dress. I don't give a shit. I
Fully.
can't take it off her back because that's
Mhm.
assault, I think. I'm not
You can
doing
ask
that.
her politely.
I can ask her politely.
Would you want to swap?
Bro, if
Mhm.
she even gives me a cup of coffee, I'll be like, good.
Oh my god, her coffee? Yes.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
Loved. I
loved
loved this episode. I
Same.
love talking about the Mets.
I love being judgmental.
Oh, to the
Yeah,
Mets.
same.
That's
Oh,
one
to
of my
the
favorite
Mets.
songs.
Okay.
Do you like the song?
I thought you were just saying a statement.
That's the stroke song.
Oh shit, okay. My bad. I'm not cultured like that.
It's fine. It's
But
fine.
anyway, guys, let us know what you guys would wear, who you would wear, or what your
Yeah.
vision would be for
What would be your vision?
an outfit if you were selected or like invited to the Met.
Or
I would
whose
love to know.
outfit would you steal and wear from this
Yeah.
time?
Let us know
Mm.
your favorite fits from the Met this year.
And your top 3 and worst 3. I
Mhm.
want to read, and I will reply as well because I'm really interested in this subject.
Quote her on that. Quote her on that. We don't get a reply on our very personal group. She's gonna reply to you.
I will.
But
Okay.
yeah, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video with all the Met fan lovers
Mm-hmm.
or like people you want to discuss this with.
Yeah.
Hype this video and yeah, comment all these things that we've asked.
What do you want them to comment? What
Just
emoji?
write. Like the dress, the girl in the dress.
Girl in the dress.
The girl in
Yeah.
the dress. And if you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you like our videos. Make sure you comment nice things. Share it with your friends you sit and binge watch Mets with.
Mm-hmm.
And share our references if you find them funny. And that's all.
If you're watching, you should watch this. This episode you should watch. But if you're listening on Spotify, we still love you. And yeah, if you're listening on Spotify, listen, keep listening. Give us a good rating. Give us 5 stars. 5 whole stars for us. Please, 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 please.
And until next time,
Stay Bisharam.
Bye.
Bye.